Welcome to Fermoy Nissan. This is our brand new Nissan Qashqai. This is a mild hybrid electric vehicle. It has a 1.3 turbo petrol engine with Nissan's mild hybrid technologies, which will assist you while you're driving. Very powerful, produces 140 brake horsepower. This is an SV model with the panoramic glass roof rails and privacy glass. You have full LED lights, which are fantastic for nighttime driving, and you have high beam assist, so it will dim when a vehicle approaches you at night and goes back to full beam once it passes. Comes with those aerodynamic 17-inch alloy wheels. You have rear parking sensors with a visual display referencing distance and a full color camera. The Qashqai has a very large boot. Great access there when it's open, and you have a spare wheel as well. Doors open at a very wide angle, so getting in and out very easy and comfortable, even for checking for safety belts as an example for rear passengers. Very easy to do so. Lovely large colour camera, 6-speed manual transmission, 1 engine and 3 driving modes. See the D mode button there, so you can select eco mode, standard or sport, which we will explain in detail when you're doing your test drive. You have AppleCarplay and AndroidAuto as well built into the touchscreen media, so whatever smartphone you have, it will sync fully, and Google Maps will populate on your touchscreen. Beautiful seats. Full photos will be on our website, fermoynissan.ie. If you have a trade-in, you can upload your photos and full details of your car, and we will be able to price you in no time. Thank you very much. Check out full details once again on fermoynissan.ie.